Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here. I'm back with another video. And today we have this cool tone, sparkly, bedazzled, whatever you want to call it, eye look. I actually really like how it came out. But anyways, if you guys want to learn how to get this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, you already know the deal. I did one eye off camera so I knew what the heck I was doing. Used the Lorac Pro 2 palette, and the shades that I used are cool gray, charcoal, and black. So first we're gonna go into that charcoal shade. Really like press it into the edge and lightly bring it in. So it should look something like this. So we'll call this like the little C shape. So now that that's done, you're gonna take the same shade and you're gonna start to bring it out and kind of create like a triangle. So bring it down and then bring it up. Now going in with cool gray, we're gonna really focus on like buffing everything out and making it look super blended. Just lightly dragging that on top of that shade. And you can already see how like blended it looks. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the bottom. And now we're going in with the black shade. And we're working that right on the outside, up in the crease. And I am bringing it out a little bit. So it should look something like this with those shades. You're gonna cut the crease, and I used the ColourPop concealer, literally the white shade. Now it's time to cut the crease. You're gonna see I get real focused. When you bring it out, you're gonna kind of want to wing it out here. Kind of like if you were doing a full cut crease, but you're not bringing it all the way out. So it should look something like that. Now I'm going to be taking that lightest gray and just putting that all over the eyelid. Going back into that medium charcoal shade. Guys, I never do cool tone eye looks. Who the heck am I? And that is pretty much all the eyeshadow that we're gonna do today. Now for the fun part, it's time to go in with the rhinestones. The glue I'm using is from Golden Paradise. Go ahead and put little dot and start gluing down the rhinestones. Oh my god.
Oh my god! What is that?
Not gonna lie, this part is super time consuming, so you definitely gotta be patient. Alright you guys, all the rhinestones are glued down finally. Now I'm going in with a little bit of liquid liner. This is our Selly Beauty liner, and I'm just putting this right on top of my lash line. And now it's time for lashes. The lashes I'm going to be using today are Pinky Rose lashes in Famous. They look like this. These are definitely my type of lashes. Any lash that's like short in the front, like long in the back, I love. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera, but I'm gonna come back and finish the eyes with you guys. And the face is done. Now we're gonna finish off the eye look. So for this part, I forgot to take off the music in the background, guys, but basically what I'm doing is running the gray eyeshadow right underneath my lashes. So I went ahead and applied my favorite nude lip. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like I want it to be more cool tone, so I might change it. But anyways, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I'm on a roll with this YouTube thing. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna stay consistent. So that is all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I'll see you on my next video.